Have you ever noticed that when you see a cow, it's constantly chewing on something? That's because it's ruminating. It's literally chewing on the same piece of food over and over again. Luckily for the cow, the food gets digested in this process. Humans, however, do not need to ruminate their food. But some people have a similar process of overthinking going on in their head. The more you try to think about it, the more you are likely to deeply get entrenched in the thought process and building a prison around yourself. I have a best friend, and this is her story. She had a confession to make. She relived embarrassing moments, overanalyzed social interactions, and jumped to conclusions, making terrible assumptions. Playing them in her head like a favorite song of a record or the new song you stumbled upon while surfing YouTube, which you listen to on repeat until you have the lyrics engraved in your head. These, my friends, are her everyday encounters with overthinking. During her writing process, she was hesitant to share the thought on a matter, scrutinizing every possible situation to delve into. They went right from, sorry, I suddenly became Dory from Finding Dory, to my pet pigeon ate my homework. No, she doesn't have a pet pigeon. I believe most of you all may have heard the famous saying, be a warrior, not a worrier. Well, I've always been a worrier. I worry about things I do not need to worry about, and when I have nothing to worry about, I worry about that. Fascinating fact number 1. Every warrior was once a worrier. Fascinating fact number 2. The best friend is me, and this was my story. Every night when I go to bed, I promise myself not to think about anything, just staring at the ceiling fan, trying to suppress my train of thoughts. But eventually just giving in, grabbing a book from the shelf, and switching on the lights and reading until my eyes grow tired. One of my favorite lyrics, They Keep Talking, I Keep Walking, from a song called I See by a K-pop band, served as an eye-opener, in my case, to stop caring about other people's perceptions and opinions. When talking to some of my friends whom I don't usually interact with, I try to find hidden meaning behind the conversations and try to run them around in my head like a marathon with no finish line. One of my favorite lyrics, They Keep Talking, I Keep Walking, from a song called I See by a K-pop band, served as an eye-opener in my matter. To stop caring about other people's perceptions and opinions. When talking to my friends, some of my friends whom I don't usually interact with, I try to find hidden meaning behind the conversations and run them in my head like a marathon with no finish line. Looking back, I realized how irrational I was being. So how did I become a warrior from a worrier? Well, the answer lies in a 5-letter word. No, the answer is not pizza. It is the anagram of the word iskim. Yes, the answer lies in music. It is like that float thrown by the lifeguard to the deepest end of the pool to save me from drowning. Turning on the music to the highest until it comes blasting off the neighbors is one of the best remedies to overthink overthinking. Interchanging one of the lyrics of Photograph by Ed Sheeran to Music Can Heal and Music Can Mend Your Soul is like the missing piece in the puzzle. Fascinating fact number 3. Music therapy originated in the Veterans Hospital after the First World War and the Second World War. What I want you to take away from my little talk is that to start talking, because what's the point of having a voice if we're going to remain silent? Yes, yet another quote from one of my favorite pieces of literature by the name of The Hate You Give. In one of my many virtual expeditions, I came across this old woman whose advice literally changed my life. She said, and I quote, that people are too busy thinking about themselves, their lives and their problems that they don't have time to think about others. Now believe me or not, I got goosebumps upon hearing that. Now whenever I go on stage and perform, my mom always says this to me to overcome my last minute jitters and butterflies in the stomach. Be a voice, not an echo. Thank you.